back to the channel, guys, and in today's video I'm going to be fitting the Knight Rider Baccae Season 4 gas pedal to the car. So what we've done is we've removed the actual gas pedal, the armature, and you've got two studs that go through these holes, and you've got your cable that goes through here, but we've removed those from the car because it's easier to see what you're doing. Now you can see from the back side the pin goes through from here, it goes through the pedal arm itself, through the spring. The back of the spring here just sits against the pedal, and then if you look around from the front, this piece just wraps over the top here, and that's what gives you your springiness on the pedal itself. So again, from the back you can see it goes through there like this. All we need to do now is go and fit this pedal back to the car. So you can see what we've done is we've got the gas pedal here, and over here we've got the 10mm on here. We need to put one on here, and that's your gas pedal fitted to the car. And that's it for today's video, guys. In part 2 we will be fitting the electronics as you see here. Very simple to fit those, it's just a power and a ground. We'll be wiring that in via the switch pods on the dashboard. Until next time, I've been Steve, this has been Knights of England. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.
We're going home, kid.